Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life. Electric word, life, that means forever, and that's a mighty long time. And I mean to tell you, there's something else. The afterworld. A world of never-ending happiness. You can always see the sun, day or night. So when you call up that shrink in Beverly Hills, you know the one, doctor, everything gonna be all right. Said that's how much your time is left. That's how much for your mind, baby. Cause in this life, things are much harder than the afterworld. In this life, you're on your own. And if the elevator tries to break you down, go crazy, punch high, go. Woo! If you don't like the world you're living in, take a look around. At least you got friends. Call my old lady for a friendly word. Picked up the phone, dropped on the floor. That's all I heard. Are we gonna let the elevator break us down? Oh no, let's go crazy. Let's get nuts. Look for the purple banana till they put us in the truck. Let's go. All excited, don't know why. Maybe it's 'cause we're all gonna die when we. What's it all for? Better live now for the grim reapers knocking on your door. Are we gonna let the elevator break us down? Oh no, let's go crazy. Let's get nuts. Look for the purple banana till they put us in the truck. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's get nuts. Yeah. Crazy. Doctor, everything will be alright. Make everything go wrong. Chills, thrills, death, tears of kill. Hang tough, children. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
me. You're a heartbreaker, dream maker, love taker. Don't you mess around with me. You're a heartbreaker, dream maker, love taker. Don't you mess around with me. You're a heartbreaker, dream maker, love breaker. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Let's try. All right.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something.
Thank you. Are we okay? We got a bum cable up here. So thank you so much for being here. Kovler Diabetes Center, the entity that we are raising money for, is very special to me.
I've had diabetes for 27 years, and they've been taking care of me, and I'm still here. So we're really grateful to Kovler and really happy to be playing in support of them tonight. Thank you.
We're gonna slow it down a little. Y'all know this one. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train, and I was feeling near as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained and rode us all the way to New Orleans. Well, I pulled my harpoon and in my dirty red bandana I was playing softly while Bobby sang the blues. Now, windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. We sang every song that driver knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, and nothing, baby, if it ain't free. And feeling good was easy though when he sang the blues. And feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. From the Kentucky coal mines to the California sun, yeah, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything that we done, yeah, Bobby, baby, kept me from the cruel world. One day I missed the least down, I let him slip away. He's looking for that home and I hope he finds it. 'Cause I trade all my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, and that's all that Bobby left me. And feeling good was easy though when he sang the blues. And feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee.